What's up, guys? It's your girl Shay and I was just coming to tell you guys that I watched this YouTube video, and before we get into that, New Year's is coming up, and your girl want a new hairstyle, but we're going through a pandemic, so coins is tight. And these Atlanta hairstylists be charging an arm and a leg just for one style. And I don't do that. The more y'all get to know me, y'all realize I don't do this. So this morning I woke up and I decided I'm gonna watch a YouTube video on how to do soft locks. And when I tell y'all, the girl made it look so simple, she made it look so simple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna ask my little cousin Harmony to help me, but I'm gonna try this out. I know it's gonna take me a couple of days, so I'm gonna just go ahead and braid my hair down tonight, well, today, and then possibly go get the hair today, start on the hair, and maybe insert tomorrow or maybe Monday. I don't know, because you know how I am, and y'all know that I like to go out and stuff like that, so I might go out tonight. That's why it's going to be like a 3-day process. But enough chit chat, let me go ahead and get started, because baby, it sounds like I got a lot to do. But I'm going to keep you guys updated throughout this whole little process, and hopefully these come out cute. Period. So I'm here with my girl Harmony, because she hooked me up with my part. Don't do it. She even woke up out her sleep to part my hair. That's real love. Why y'all look like that? No comment to me. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We definitely is getting somewhere. I'm really proud of what it's coming out to be. Like, your girl really killed these parts, okay? She really did. And I'm just super excited. Like, y'all, I'm already doing all kinds of stuff, and they ain't even done yet. But they look pretty good. I'm gonna braid some of these down some more, but for the most part, they're looking good. Periods. So I'm gonna fix this side real quick. And then it's like even easier for you guys to understand than how they explained at first. But so you know, you're gonna have a 14-inch and an 18-inch lock. So right now mine are a little confused because I don't know which one is which. So I'm just gonna kind of put them side by side and see which one is which. So this one is obviously my 18 and this one is my 14. So the key to this is that your 14 is going to be your starter and your 18 is going to be your bottom. Boom, I'm telling y'all the key to this right now, the key. So your knot for the 14 needs to be at the top and you need to open the bottom of that 14. So you're gonna open it, like you're gonna kind of, let's see if I could kind of show y'all. Don't mind my fingers, but you're just gonna open it up just a little bit, not too much, but just enough so like you can kind of tie a knot. So you're gonna open your 14 up a little bit, and then you're gonna take that 18 and you're gonna insert. You're gonna open the knot just a little bit. You don't have to OD on the knot, but you're just gonna put the 14 inside of the 18. Because you gotta kind of open this. But open your 18, you're gonna take that 14 and pull it through. Then you're gonna take both ends, tie a knot, take it and tie another knot. So you got 2 knots. You're gonna take the top and the bottom and just kind of twist it around. Twist it around. So it's not gonna be it's not gonna look perfect, but now you're just gonna kind of, you know, so you could just bond it together. And like I said, it's not gonna be perfect. It's gonna look a little bit bigger than the other, but it's now all connected. You can pull it, it's not gonna break. It's all connected. So boom, you have your lock. And now that I showed you guys the twisting method, or whatever method they call it, we're gonna do this to all the locks, and we're going to then insert them through the loop. So I'm gonna go run to the store real quick to go get me a crochet needle, but I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna come and finish all of them and then get started. Boom, just like that. I've already installed about half of my locks here, and because I was kind of trying to be somewhere that night, I did not record my actual install of the locks. But I kid you not, guys, it is so simple. The crochet way is the easiest way to do them. I enjoyed installing these locks because they were just so simple. It's been times where I've gotten locks and they had to just do them individually, like all the way down, and it just takes more time. But here is the final look, and this is how long they are. I love them. I got so many compliments throughout. I've even done them so many times on my friends and family that it's just so much easier every time I do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys love the final result. So stay tuned.